Hello YouTube, and today we are going to be doing a revisit of a Shell station located in Newmarket on Mulock Drive with a ChoiceWash. It is an older Mark VII ChoiceWash XT. And today we will be getting the Ultimate Soft Touch Wash. So anyways, we will have to pay first. So anyways, I will start it up again as soon as we paid. So, I got the Ultimate Wash. It was $13.99 without gas purchase. Here. Plus tax. And it came to $15.81. So let's see what a $15.81 wash gets us. So we will enter in for code right now. Now we can go ahead into the wash. We're going to run the carriage. A really powerful undercarriage, that's for sure. So anyways, this used to be a Ryko ultrasonic system. So drive ahead. There we go. And let the wash begin. We're getting the high power rinse. And it looks like we are getting the tri-foam with tire cleaner. Nice coverage of a tri-foam. Now we are getting the brushes. Yes. No. There we go. We're getting for side washes. We are getting another pass of a soft touch wash. Now we are getting another pass of a high power rinse. Now we are doing the shield and the final rinse. I'll come back some other time to get the ultimate touch-free wash. Now we can go ahead with the dryers. We have Mark 7 Vertex dryers, so let's see if we do a great job. 74 seconds of a dryer. Well, looks like the dryers are not doing a great job. No sides dryers too. Seconds to go. 3. And we are done. I guess the dryers censored us, but we are out of the bay. So anyways, that's the Mark 7 ChoiceWash XT at the Shell station located on Newmarket Drive near Yon in Newmarket. Looks like this wash has done a great job except for dryers. Well, I think that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And that is it.